Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, I have some items that I got from Chanel Beauty, and can you believe it? I got a bag at Chanel Beauty. But before I dive into today's video, if you are new to my channel and you love all things luxury and you aren't already subscribed, I would love if you would hit that subscribe button below and also the bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. I upload every weekend. I used to try to do a midweek upload, but it's just becoming pretty difficult with 2 kids, and everything else on the side. So yeah, subscribe if you are new. Hopefully you enjoy my content. I talk all about luxury and fashion, and I'm a handbag addict, no doubt about it. My name is Mel as well. I don't know if I said that, probably didn't. And I live in Australia. So, okay, don't know why I did that intro differently, but it is what it is. So, first and foremost, okay, this unboxing is pretty close to Valentine's Day, so the first portion of this video seems very appropriate to be sponsored by Ana Luisa. So Ana Luisa is a jewelry company and they sell beautiful jewelry pieces. I have featured them a few times on my channel and I wear their pieces on a daily basis, whether it be their earrings and necklaces. I have received a few pieces from them and I'm currently wearing them right now. So the first piece that I'm wearing is this beautiful Shea necklace. Really appropriate length to sort of stack with other necklaces if you do want to sort of do that stacking effect, because they do have a lot of necklaces on their website and prices start from a very low price point. But yeah, wearing this necklace, Shea, and then the other piece that I'm wearing is this earring set. They are hoop earrings and the name is Reverso. They actually have like crystals all along the front and they kind of go on the inside of the hoop. Why I really like these ones is because usually with like hoop earrings, when they have crystals on it, they just have it at the front, but this is front and then on the inner ring, so you actually see it like when you're looking face on at someone, which I thought was a really neat sort of design. So I really like these hoop earrings. And then the other piece that I'm wearing is a bracelet which pretty much matches the Shea necklace, you know, if you want to do a whole matchy, and this is in the Tess. This is the Tess style. And then the other earrings that they gifted me were these beautiful periwinkle kind of purple, and the style name of this one, let me turn around, is a Mini Hannah Pastel Blue. So it's called a pastel blue, but to me that's like a kind of like a periwinkle purple, the purple that they had from 21K, which I love that purple. So the link to shop Ana Luisa is in the description bar down below. They're currently doing up to 40% off site wide on select products. So, you know, as to whether you treat yourself or you make a request for your partner to get you a piece from the Ana Luisa website, they do ship worldwide and express as well. Totally up to you, but you know, this video is all about, you know, treating yourself and, you know, splurging on the things that we've saved and worked hard to be able to buy. So, you know, I would just say go for it and get yourself a little jewelry piece from Ana Luisa, something that's your style, because there's a multitude of different options on there. So Chanel unboxing. I'm gonna do the actual legit beauty products first, just because I know that some people click out after the bag, but we're gonna do the beauty products first. Okay, so this time around I did get a Chanel box for the items that I picked up, but they don't always come with a box. Sometimes it's just like a shopping bag. Big fan of Chanel Beauty. Yeah, products are expensive, but I love them, you know, and I also really like the service that you get from Chanel Beauty. Like, I feel like Chanel Beauty is pretty consistent in terms of their service. Like, you generally get pretty pleasant service no matter where you go. First piece that I got is the Sublimage, I'm not going to butcher it. Pretty much it's a gel to oil cleanser. That's the English translation on there. Gel to oil cleanser. So this is a cleanser that you'll use for taking off your makeup. I've tried other like cleansing oils and they kind of irritate your eyes and sometimes makes your eyes sting. So I'm hoping that this is as good as the Tatcha one, because the Tatcha one is expensive as well. Like the price point is pretty much the same to this, and I thought, well, kind of the good thing about Chanel Beauty is that you get little samples as well. So I kind of feel like I get more out of shopping from Chanel Beauty. You know, decent size. It's 150 ml, so I think it's probably about the same as what my other cleanser was that I was using. And it was nicely gift wrapped, as you could see. Really nice gift wrapping on it. They do this like at Lunar New Year, Christmas, Valentine's Day as well. You can pretty much request like Chanel beauty products to be gift wrapped at any time, I'm pretty sure. Like, that's what I mean. Like, their service is really, really good. Now, the other one that I got is a repurchase. This is actually the brightening foam cleanser. So I already have this and it's not finished yet. So I'm not going to go ahead and use this until the other one's finished. But basically that's what it looks like. But the reason I like this one, they've got two ones. They've got the anti-pollution one, I think it is. It's another cleanser, which is a little bit cheaper. I'll link it down below anyway because it's the one I used to use and I think it's really, really good. The only reason that I switched to the brightening one was purely because of like pigmentation on my face to do with like the scar that I had on my face from removing the skin cancer or the benign skin cancer. And then I've also got like hormonal pimples, which of course scarring. The other piece that I picked up is the micellar cleansing water. So this is essentially like it is. It's a micellar cleansing water, but there is a lot of like properties in this that are apparently are really good for your skin overall. Like with Chanel Beauty, they don't just do like basic, like micellar water isn't just basic for them. There's always additional stuff that they'll put in. And then the last item that was gift wrapped is this nail varnish. This is actually the boy Chanel one. So this is actually for men and it's in the color black, but it's a black matte. So I'm looking forward to trying this because I love black nail polish. Like, when I was a teenager, I would always wear black nail polish and I used to listen to punk music and rock music and heavy metal and I still like that music. I still do. I just don't really listen to it that much anymore. But yeah, when I was a teenager, that's what my vibe was. I used to play the bass guitar as well. So I was in a band. I was a singer and I was a bass guitarist. So yeah, fun fact. That's what I was like as a teenager. I'll show you the other items that I picked up. So this was in this kind of gift baggy thing. So I got, this is like a ride or die sort of product. Like if you are going to get anything from Chanel, get this item. This is actually the Le Beige's sheer powder. It's the Healthy Glow sheer powder. I got this in my skin tone, which is pretty much like an N20, N30. So, this I'm going to be using for like kind of just as a light powder on the face. My skin's sort of been like having, you know, hormonal breakouts and stuff. That's why I decided to sort of opt for powders. Like even right now I'm just wearing concealer, but then I'm wearing powder as the rest of like the foundation. So I'm planning on using this as like a light powder. But the reason I say that it's like a holy grail is that even if you don't want to just use it as a light powder, you can also get a shade lighter or your same shade to use it as a setting powder. But then you can also get a darker shade to use it as a bronzer. But it just blends very seamlessly on the face. And the last couple of items, other than the samples that are in this bag, I picked up some pieces from the Spring Summer collection. These are the Rouge Cocoa Balms. So this is in the shade Dreamy White, which is a clear sort of shade. And then the other one is in the shade 916, which is Flirty Coral. But it's, to me, like even though it's a coral, to me it's going to look like a neutral color anyway because it's kind of sheer. It's not like fully opaque. You can kind of put it on to make it more opaque, like a double apply. Okay, so the surprise is that I still have one more item to unbox that was from Chanel Beauty, by the way. But I am going to be doing a giveaway in this video because I haven't done one for a while. I find giveaways like pretty daunting to sort of manage because there is like things where you hear of like people getting contacted by fake profiles to be scammed and that sort of thing. So my main Instagram profile is Purseonfleek and I just created another profile which is Purseonfleek.closet, and that's just got all my closet sale items on there. Those are the only profiles that I have on Instagram. So the giveaway is going to be open worldwide, but I'm not going to do the entry on YouTube because even though it is a bit more like safer than Instagram, it's just really, really difficult to be able to export all the entries. It is going to be running on Instagram. It's open worldwide, and I'll put a picture up on the screen of the post that you'll need to head to that has the full instructions. But if you do want a bonus entry, I am going to put some conditions on there for a bonus entry, and it will involve making sure that you are on my YouTube page. That you are subscribed. I'm going to put a little sneaky thing that you'll have to do to make sure that you can get an extra entry. And then I'll be looking for that in the comments down below. Kind of made sense to do like a bit of a luxury makeup giveaway, and at least then I was hoping that if we do a luxury makeup giveaway, there may not be like scammers jumping on board. Ofra lipstick. This is a indie lipstick brand, but it's actually become absolutely massive because a lot of the makeup bloggers do talk about the Ofra lipsticks. Next item is a Rouge Coco Gloss. It's in the color Rose Naif, which is a beautiful pink. And then this is the Chanel Ombre Lumiere eyeshadow lacquer. This is a goldy kind of color. And then the other item that I picked out is from Bare Minerals, and it is a nude lipstick. Put a little Chanel gift card in there and it'll be handwritten. So if I actually end up getting anything else, then I will, you know, it'll be included on the Instagram image, what's included in the giveaway. That is the giveaway. Check out that Instagram post, head over to my Instagram, Purseonfleek, and you'll get the full instructions. But let's move on to the very final item, which is a Chanel bag, kind of. Okay, so Chanel Beauty. This is literally where I got this from. Now, a big shout out to Amy, who is a subscriber of mine. She helped me with this, like big thanks, because seriously, these sell for a premium in the resale market, and I know because I have one and I had to pay a premium for it. But she told me that the Chanel Beauty near her in South Australia, actually, I don't know if you can hear my kids, but seriously, I just have to keep going on. Like, the show has to continue to go on. They're with their father. That's all that matters. But yeah, like she got this from the local Chanel store, the Chanel Beauty store. Did obviously have to pay the shipping on top because with Chanel Beauty, they do not ship their leather goods to anywhere else in Australia. They only allow you to pick up from the store. For them, it didn't matter that I didn't live in South Australia. They were happy to send me like the payment link to pay, but I had to make sure that someone came and got the item because they were not going to take responsibility to ship it. So yeah, Amy went and picked it up for me. So thank you so much. So I actually don't have the item inside. It's just on my lounge here. So I'm just going to show you what kind of the inside looks like. You still get like the care booklet, and I got the Chanel vanity case. This is in the long style. I call it the rectangular, but I think, like, you know, it's referred to as a rectangular, but sales associates refer to it as a long vanity. It does have a strap, a really nice long strap, which is actually adjustable as well. You can actually adjust this strap with a clip, and I've shown it before on my Christmas, what I got for Christmas video. I actually got the pink one of this, and I paid a premium for it. I paid like $4,500 for that. But this one, this is actually from Cruise Collection as well, the same collection as the pink one that's up there, but I paid the retail price of $3,570. Hallelujah. Retail price. Yes. Thank goodness. And then I just had to pay the shipping on top, which didn't really cost all that much anyway. It was like, you know, another like $50-$80 to have it insured, that sort of thing. They're really easy to use. They fit a lot. And like I said, the chain is adjustable as well. So there's a multitude of ways that you can wear it, but they truly fit a lot. These are technically still small leather goods. They're not exactly bags, even though they function like a bag. Like, it's got a strap and it's a size that can fit a phone. Like, even a plus size phone, this can fit. Like, this is a mini phone, but it's got plenty of space. It still has the serial number in there because it's a SLG, and then it's got some card slots in there and a little like slot for like your lipstick. Now, I got this from the Chanel Beauty. Like I said, whenever Chanel releases one of these vanities in the classic style, so that's a classic style that looks like this, a standard chain with a chain that looks like that, caviar leather. And whenever they release this in either the short cube size, which is about that, or is this size, there's an opportunity that Chanel Beauty will more than likely be getting stock of this as well, because it's considered a vanity bag. They also get the sunglasses case as well, because Chanel Beauty stocks sunglasses, so it makes sense that they get the sunglasses case on chain as well. So if you are looking for that, try Chanel Beauty because they might have it too. And it's pretty much only in the classic caviar. They don't get them if they come in like special finishes or anything like that. As far as I know, they don't. Like, they're like iridescent, whatever. They don't get it. It's got to be the classic caviar leather that they will get. They can get it if it's in seasonal colors. So even that pink vanity that's up there, that was sold at Chanel Beauty as well. So, yeah, if you are looking for one of these and you know that the season's coming up with these classic vanity bags, then consider to try and get a sales associate at Chanel Beauty to see if you can nab it there, because it really just depends on the Chanel Beauty store. Some stores don't really have like a lot of VIPs, or they don't really have like VIPs that request these sort of bags. Like they really just focus on the skincare and they don't care for like the leather goods. So it really just depends your luck of the draw, but you probably find that you have better odds to be able to get these at Chanel Beauty because there's no like favoritism to clients. Like in Queensland, the stores were like a first come, first serve, and they just went off the shelves quickly as soon as the stock arrived. The other thing that I wanted to say, so the reason I didn't want to put it in here is because it came in one of the velvet, like it feels kind of like a suede kind of bag. It's not the typical sort of dust bag like the one that I got with my pink vanity. So these velvety kind of suede bags, these are the kind of bags that they use for the wok as well. And I just am absolutely terrified of them. Like, I do not like them. This is like lined in like a cotton. Don't know if they're always lined in this sort of cotton, but I remember before I got a wok that was in this kind of dust bag, and I don't remember it being lined in a cotton. But basically these dust bags scare the absolute crap out of me. I don't recommend them. Take your bag out of them. As soon as you get given a Chanel wok or small leather goods in one of these bags, don't leave it in. Do not, because I have seen, even for myself personally, I had a wok, the iridescent one, the white iridescent, and it had like these black flecks on it, and I swear it was from the dust bag. I reckon it was truly from the dust bag. And then I know someone recently who reached out to me who said that they bought a grey Chanel wok, and on the corners it had gone black from being tightly inside the dust bag. And I said to her, it's those velvety kind of feeling dust bags that are like death to your bag. Or small leather good. Don't ever leave your SLG inside those dust bags. If you get one of these, take it out straight away. Do not store it inside one of these kind of dust bags, these velvety ones. Just take it out because the black can transfer onto your leather. They're just not good. I really do not know why Chanel even bothers with them. Like, just stick with cotton dust bags. Seriously, they might feel luxe, but I don't care about what it feels like. I care about how it's going to affect my item. And the standard cotton dust bags are just far more reliable. You never hear of anyone getting like black transfer on their bag with those dust bags. I forgot to tell you something. Okay. So, my pink vanity, I did it again. I got color transfer on my pink vanity. So I'm pretty devastated. So the reason I wanted to let you guys know is because I made another mistake, which I'd done before with my Coco handle. Pretty much with my Chanel bags, what I do, when I remember and when I'm not in a rush, I protect them with the Bags More Luxe Leather Protect. It's an Australian bag spa, and they sell their own products. So usually that's what I do for all my bags, but I was in such a rush to use the pink vanity that what I did was I put it on with a dress. So yes, a dress. It wasn't jeans, unlike last time. It was a dress, and I didn't protect the bag. I also didn't check if the dress was color fast. Yeah. And I got color transfer on it. It's probably not really going to show up so much on the camera, but yeah, I'll just put some pictures on the screen. So I'm going to send this off to Bags and More for a clean and restore and get it back to pretty pink again, because gosh, I'm spewing because it was brand new and I only got to use it for like pretty much, it took all of 10 minutes to get color transfer all over it, and I was devastated, and I pretty much cleaned it straight away and I just couldn't get it off. I feel like with caviar leather, you just really have to protect the leather because for some reason I just feel like caviar just soaks up dyes like no tomorrow. It's got to be the grain, like that artificial grain that just goes and just takes in all the dye. So I'm going to put a video on the screen, the Luxe Leather Protect, and how I actually used it on this bag. So this one's been protected. I can now safely use this, and hopefully it'll keep it nice and pristine. And then if I do happen to get color transfer on it, it should, generally speaking, be able to clean off pretty easily. At least that's in my experience with my lambskin bags. In general, like cleaning, the protection spray really helps to prevent like, anything like staining. At least I haven't really noticed that anything's been able to stain when I've used this spray. So yeah, if you want to get an update on how it looks like the before and after, once I get it back, I'll put an update on my Instagram. It's my go-to bag spa for when I make mistakes. Don't forget, head over to my Instagram page where you can enter that little makeup giveaway that I'm running. And also Ana Luisa, don't forget to click the link down below to have a look at what products they are putting on sale and treat yourself something for Valentine's Day at a very low price point but high quality jewelry piece. I can hear my son. Okay, alright, thanks guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.